Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to share a song from Apple Music to someone through a text message. Sharing is super easy and can be done through text, email, AirDrop, and more. You can share individual songs, entire albums, or even playlists. To get started, open Apple Music. Next, head to the song or album that you want to share. To share an individual song, tap the three dots to the right of the track from the listing. Inside of here, tap Share Song. You then have the different options for sharing. You see at the top your shortcuts to commonly or recently used contacts, and then underneath that the different apps to share through. We'll select Messages. Next, enter the contact that you want to share with, and then hit Send. It will then send them a link to the track that you've shared. If you want to share an entire album or playlist, on the main album page, tap the three dots on the top right. Now inside of this menu, select Share Album. Again, choose how and who you'd like to share with, in this example Messages, and then hit Send to Share. And that's how you share individual songs and albums from Apple Music. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.